Hey, Liam, do you ever think about your big dreams?
Hi, Emily. Yes, all the time. I have many dreams. One of them is to start my own business one day.
Really? That's amazing. What kind of business?
I want to open a coffee shop with books and live music, a place where people can relax and enjoy.
That sounds perfect. I would go there all the time. What inspired you?
I love coffee and good conversations, and I enjoy places with a calm, creative vibe. What about you, Emily? What's your biggest dream?
My big dream is to become an actress and work in movies.
Wow, that's a big dream. Have you acted before?
A little. I did some plays in school, and now I'm taking acting classes on weekends.
That's a great step. You're working toward your dream.
Thanks. It's not easy, but I love it. I want to inspire people through stories.
That's beautiful. I think dreams are powerful. They give us direction.
Yes, even when things get hard, my dream keeps me going.
Same here. I work in an office now, but I save money and write plans for my future coffee shop.
That's smart. Every small step counts. Do your friends support your dream?
Yes, most of them do. My family is a bit worried, but they know I'm serious.
I understand. My parents also worry, but they see how much I love acting.
It's normal. Big dreams can be scary, but they're worth it.
I agree. One day, I want to act in a movie that people remember forever.
And I want people to walk into my coffee shop and feel at home.
I believe you can make it happen, Liam.
And I believe in you, Emily. One day I'll say, "Hey, I know that movie star?"
And I'll say, let's meet at your cafe.
Deal. Let's keep dreaming and working hard.
Yes, big dreams need big hearts and strong minds.